Hi guys, can you believe it's Vlogmas and I have yet to talk about food? Okay, so today we gotta discuss some food, and more importantly, we gotta discuss my 3 favorite snacks and all the other healthy snack options you have out there. Let's go. I have 3 main snacks that I'm gonna share with you today. Those are my favorite snacks, but I'm also gonna share some other ones that I know other people like. Just to set the record straight, fruit. I eat citrus fruits though. I do not like apples. I don't care that much about pears. So I just really eat berries, blueberries, strawberries. Well, sometimes I eat strawberries. Sometimes they break me out. But blueberries, raspberries, blackberries are some of my favorite things to eat. And I prefer to do oranges, grapefruits to do. I prefer to eat oranges, grapefruit, those kind of things. Those are my favorites. So yeah, that's what I prefer to eat and prefer to like basically have as my snacks if I'm doing fruits and you know, stuff like that. I'm not showing you that today because everybody knows, oh, you can have fruit as a snack, you know, and everybody knows fruit has sugar in it. Well, it's natural, so you know, it's from the ground, it's natural. So anyway, we're gonna talk about my other favorites. Now, one of these is kind of a vegetable, but I was also told it's probably not ideal that I eat it because I guess allegedly it has a lot of sugar in it as well. But it's definitely carrots. So now I have some carrots here. They're open. But I love baby carrots. I love to personally dip baby carrots into homemade buffalo sauce. Which is really just hot sauce and garlic for me. It's really just hot sauce and garlic heated on the stove, mixed up together. That's it. But I love to just eat that, like dip it in there. It just gives me so much happiness. And I love the crunch of carrots because I like potato chips and I like crunchy things. So I always go for carrots. Now, celery is also a fave of many people's. I eat it with like PB2 peanut butter. But meh, I prefer carrots. Yeah. So my next favorite thing would definitely be sunflower seeds. I am obsessed with sunflower seeds. Now these have salt in them and quite a bit of sodium, but this is one thing that I love, and it's probably one of my guilty pleasures for sure. I sit and eat like maybe a cup here and there. I buy so many of this specific brand. I bought David's recently and I didn't really love it as much as I love these. And I'm always looking like, okay, what other brand can I buy of sunflower seeds? I bought a few others I didn't like, and I keep going back to these. These are also 99 cents at the Trader Joe's in Chicago at all of them. So I don't know if it's the same price at your Trader Joe's, but this is one of my favorite healthy snacks, period. And then another one of my favorite healthy snacks would be popcorn. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you would have saw my IGTV of me making popcorn that tastes like barbecue Jay's chips. It's one of my favorite guilty pleasures. So I also buy this popcorn from Trader Joe's. Now, you could buy the popcorn at Whole Foods or the Orville. I personally don't love the way that pops, but they're all good. The organic one from Whole Foods, the kernels are very small and it just feels like it pops and burns faster in my Popco. By the way, I use a Popco that goes in the microwave. It's on Amazon. I'll link it below. But I'm obsessed with it. You don't have to pop your popcorn on the stove, and I feel like you can get more popcorn when you just buy them like this. I think this is maybe $2.49 or something. I don't even remember, but I mean, I just buy like several bags of these and I'm not disappointed, and I just keep them and eat popcorn as much as I like. I love it, and to the point where people come over my house and want me to pop popcorn for them. So anyway, what I do is and below I'll put the IGTV video so you can watch it and learn how I do it. But basically I pop popcorn. You can do it on the stove or in the Popco in the microwave, and then I take an olive oil or an avocado oil. Avocado oil doesn't really have much of a taste, so I actually prefer to put that one on, and I drizzle it, or you can spray depending on which one, if you have the spray or if you have just the regular oil in a bottle. And then I dust on this. I'm so in love with this. I actually went to a class to learn how to cut food really well. My friend had gifted me something and I was like, oh, I'm going to a class to cut food. Oh my god, like learn how to like professionally cut techniques and stuff. And they had this mix because I wasn't eating dairy, and I don't eat dairy, unfortunately. So they made this for me and I ate it up like a beast. And then other people in the class were like, can we try that? And they started eating it. Everyone loved it. I was obsessed with it. And they just told me, we just throw some oil on top and then we put this on and it's all good. So I came home and did it myself, and I'm obsessed, and I haven't turned back since. I'll link this below. And right now on Instagram, I'm actually doing one giveaway, but I know I'm giving away a bundle of how to make your own popcorn type of bundle in next week, starting on Monday. So let me check my phone what day of the week that is. I want to say that's the 14th, but let me see. Yep, Monday December 14th, 2020. Yep, I am going to be doing a giveaway of that Popco, I think it's called Popco, that Popco container, this amazing rub, olive oil, and a Trader Joe's bag of popcorn. So it's gonna be one of my favorite and best giveaways. So definitely try this out, guys. I'm gonna link all of the stuff that you can purchase below. I'm gonna link everything that I've showed you in this video of my 3 favorites below. These are the things I'm eating the most. Obviously I'm doing smoothies and things like that, but these are my 3 healthy snacks. Now there are other options, and I do plan on doing videos in the future for you all so that you can get other ideas, and I can share some vegan recipes with you and things like that. But some other options obviously would be celery, make like the ant. Remember when we were growing up and you had like the ants on a stick type of thing, where they would take celery, put peanut butter, and then they put raisins? I never liked raisins, so, but you can always put dried cranberries, and you can have that as a snack. Really think about what you ate as a kid. Probably is gonna be your best bet as a snack now. These 3 are my favorites. Comment below and let me know what your favorites are. I think peanut butter on apples is bomb. Obviously anything with the GG crackers. Y'all know I love GG crackers. Check out my GG cracker video. I'll link it below. But GG crackers, yes, yes, and yes. And you can do so much with them. You can do smoked salmon with them, which I do that. You could do peanut butter. You could do avocado toast. Obviously guacamole is also one of my favorite things. But chips, I just want the regular chips, you know. Sometimes I make my own chips out of like high fiber tortilla shells, or cut the carb. But for the most part, these are like, my snacking is pretty normal, and I try to keep it pretty simple just for things I can grab. Now these are healthy. This is a healthy snack video. If you would like to know what my healthier candy dessert-esque that you can just purchase and buy video, comment below and I'll make sure I do a video on that to share with you guys, because I do have those. I am dairy free, but I have dairy free options that I eat, and I have some of my favorite snacks that are not necessarily obviously not these, but are things that you can just buy at a store, and they're like ice cream and freeze pops and and you know, just snacky almost candy like gummy bear type things. But if you would like to know about my healthier candies, comment below and let me know and I'll make a video. But these are my favorite snacks, guys. What are your favorite snacks? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you and bring you into the Fenique community, or yeah, the Fenique community. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.